Today I want to give you my top 6 ideas for passive income. There are plenty of ways to make money online, but there are just few of them that are passive. Meaning once you create and upload your final product, you can kick back while cash rolls in from the sales of your product. Okay, without wasting any time, let's check out our first idea. Creating a print-on-demand store. If you're an artist, designer, or willing to pay for a design, print-on-demand can be a profitable passive income idea for you. User-generated print-on-demand marketplaces where all of the products are designed by the users themselves, like Redbubble and Amazon Print-on-Demand, are the best platforms to start your business for free. Just like dropshipping, there are no buying in bulk or inventory needed. Whenever a customer buys one of your products, Amazon will print the product, package it, and then ship it out to the customer. You earn a royalty on every product sold. Your royalty is based on your product's purchase price, less any applicable tax, and less Amazon's costs. Let's take a look at some examples to see what would be your royalty for every sale on Amazon merch. I'm going to look at the US market, but I will link this down below if you're curious about other products or marketplaces. Okay, let's say I have a standard t-shirt and the purchase price is $19.99. So based on this table, your share of this sale will be $5.23. And if you sell 3 t-shirts per day, your earning for a month will be around $470. For something that was just created and uploaded once is a pretty sweet deal. Overall, print-on-demand is a low-risk and simple business idea you can get up and running for free. Okay, our next idea is selling digital products. Digital products like book interiors, graphic designs, and other downloadable files are great passive income streams and offer high profit margins. You only have to make the asset once and you can sell as many digital products as you want. Websites like Creative Fabrica, 99 Designs, Etsy, or Creative Market are great places to start selling your digital designs and interiors, since there is already a built-in market that is looking for your product. To give you some ideas how much you can make on this market, let's take a look at Etsy. So I'm going to use this calculator to calculate the profit of one of these products. So I search for mandala coloring pages. So as you can see, the price is $4.92. So let's enter this information here. We are selling on US, and since it's a digital product, it doesn't matter which location you choose. So leave it as it is. And the price was $4.92. Let's also put 0 for shipping and materials, since we're just going to make this product once. So as you can see, our profit will be $4.03. Let's put that in our calculator and go back to product page. So the number of sales is 543. This means this product earned around $2,200 for its creator. And of course, you need a high quality and good marketing to get to this figure, but the process is too easy to miss. So our next idea is online courses. If you're skilled in any field ranging from graphic design to music or cooking, selling online courses is one of the best passive income ideas for you. Whether you decide to sell a course on your own website or on a platform like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera, you'll find thousands of learners come to find courses in different fields. Each option of launching your own website or using a course platform has its own pros and cons. When you sell through your own website, your profit margin will be higher, and you collect customer information which can be used for your marketing down the road. But you will have fewer visitors, and you need to also create and maintain the website yourself, which could be a challenging job, especially in the beginning. On the other hand, you will either have to pay a fee or share earnings with these platforms, but you may earn more in net profit since these platforms are popular and will provide access to a larger number of buyers. Udemy allows you to create your course for free, and if someone uses your referral link or coupon to purchase your course, you will receive 97% of the revenue. This goes down to 37% for courses purchased without any referral links or coupons. Teachable and Thinkific use a different model that has both paid and free options. The free option can be good if you're new to the industry, and paid plans range anywhere between $29 to $399. They might also charge you a transaction fee. But don't let these numbers intimidate you. If you have a high quality course that you believe in it, these platforms are worth trying. They will take the burden off your shoulders, as you will not have to worry about creating or maintaining any website. You will receive a passive income for as long as your courses continue to sell. So consider creating evergreen courses or releasing new courses so that you continue to make money. Just for an example, I want to show you how you can make money on a Skillshare. But keep in mind, every platform has its own method of payment. Some pay by percentage and some per minute. A Skillshare revenue is based on a royalty system, and the teacher can get paid for the number of minutes watched by premium students in their classes each month. A Skillshare pays between 5 cents to 10 cents per minute watched. So if you're a teacher and your students watched 5,000 minutes of your class, you will earn between $250 to $500. Well, I mentioned a Skillshare as a source of income, but I highly suggest checking their courses too. There are great courses on graphic design, photography, and creative writing that will help you elevate your skills and make more money. Our next idea of passive income is selling stock photos. If you enjoy taking pictures and have a good camera, then you can make money by selling photos online. Websites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock allow you to sell your stock photos. Some platforms offer a one-time payment and some offer royalties. So the more photos you sell, the more money you will make. You can make between 30 cents to $99.50 per sale. This is a great passive income idea because photos don't easily go dated, especially if you take pictures in evergreen niches. There are plenty of free and paid online courses out there that will help you improve your skills and take more quality pictures and make more money. So as an example, let's take a look at Shutterstock's earning breakdown. As a Shutterstock contributor, you will earn a percentage of the price Shutterstock receives for licensing your content. There are 6 separate earnings levels for images and for videos, ranging from 15% up to 40%. The more content customers purchase from your portfolio, the faster you progress through the levels. Keep in mind, levels for all contributors will reset to level 1 on January 1st of each year. Our 5th idea of passive income stream is starting a YouTube channel. This is one of the best ways to earn passive income since you don't need any money to start, and joining YouTube is free. Just choose a niche that you're passionate about and sign up for a YouTube channel. The next step is to monetize your channel. The minimum requirements is 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. Once monetized, you will be able to make money through your channel. YouTube will display ads on your channel and advertisers will pay you. To estimate YouTube earnings, I'm going to use Social Blade, but to be honest, it's not a very accurate number. Because based on your niche and your CPM, your income can range between $30 to $100 per day. Some of the most profitable topics on YouTube with higher CPMs are health, business, investing, auto reviews, real estate, insurance, and online marketing. Our last passive income idea is creating print-on-demand books. Print-on-demand books are a great way to start your passive income journey. Just like Redbubble or Printify, when you use print-on-demand, you don't need to keep inventory or pay anything upfront. Anytime someone orders your book, the print-on-demand platform you're using will print and ship the book to the customer and deduct all of the fees from customer payment, and the rest is your cut, which is usually paid to you on a monthly basis. There are plenty of book print-on-demand platforms out there. The difference is the basic price for printing and shipping, the transaction fees, and also the option the platform offers from type of the cover to the quality of the paper. Some of the best providers for print-on-demand books are, of course, Amazon KDP, Lulu Express, and Blurb. So if you follow my channel, you have probably seen this page before. Amazon has a very neat and clean calculator to estimate your earnings from KDP. Let's say I'm making a paperback book with black and white interior and it's a 100-page book, and I'm selling this for $6.99 in the US marketplace. So my share from this sale will be $2.04 per book. So if I manage to sell 5 books per day, I can make around $300 per month. I know it might not sound too much, but think about it. With all the methods and ideas we reviewed today, you're making your product or design or course just once. And once you upload them, you can sit back and relax and enjoy the passive income you made. By the way, you can find all the links mentioned in this video on the description section. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next video, bye-bye.